Far out in the cold, dark expanse of our solar system, something wonderful is happening. Orbiting the magnificent ringed planet, Saturn, is a tiny world of ice. This moon is called Enceladus. It is small, only about 500 kilometers across. You could fit it inside the state of Arizona. But size isn't everything in the cosmos. Enceladus shines with a brilliant, almost pure white light. It reflects nearly all the sunlight that touches it. This makes it one of the brightest objects in our entire solar system. It's a beacon in the darkness, a gleaming jewel in Saturn's majestic crown, waiting for us to uncover its secrets. Imagine traveling through space. You pass the rocky inner planets. You fly through the asteroid belt. You soar past the gas giant Jupiter. And then you arrive at Saturn. Its rings stretch out before you, a breathtaking disk of ice and rock. Among its many moons, one catches your eye. It is whiter than fresh snow. That is Enceladus. It journeys around Saturn, held in place by the giant's immense gravity. It is locked in a cosmic dance with its planetary host and sibling moons. This dance is not just for show. It is the key to understanding the incredible story unfolding on this small, distant world. This tiny moon is more than just a pretty sight. It holds a profound secret, hidden from view for eons. While it looks frozen and lifeless on the outside, something is stirring deep within its core. This is a place of unexpected warmth and activity, a place that challenges our ideas about where life can exist. Enceladus is not just another ball of ice and rock. It is a dynamic world, a place of constant change and incredible power. It sends a message out into the cosmos, a message written in water and simple organic chemicals, inviting us to come and explore its mysteries further. Our journey to understand Enceladus began with flybys from spacecraft like Voyager. But it was the Cassini mission that truly pulled back the curtain. For years, Cassini orbited Saturn, giving us an unprecedented look at its entire system. It swooped past Enceladus again and again, gathering data, taking pictures, and tasting the very air around the moon. What it found was astonishing. It discovered that Enceladus was not a dead world. It was alive with geological activity. It was a place that hinted at the one thing we have been searching for all along, the possibility of life beyond Earth. Let's land our ship of the imagination on the surface of Enceladus. The ground beneath our feet is a vast, unending plain of brilliant white ice. The sun is a distant, small point of light, offering little warmth. The temperature here is brutally cold, plummeting to around -200 degrees Celsius. In the black sky above, Saturn dominates the view. Its rings form a majestic, silent arc stretching from horizon to horizon. It's a beautiful but stark landscape. The silence is absolute. There is no wind, no sound, only the faint hum of the cosmos itself, a silent symphony playing out across the void. As we explore this icy landscape, we see that it is not perfectly smooth. The surface is a tapestry of different terrains. There are old, heavily cratered regions, telling a story of ancient impacts from space debris. But there are also vast, smooth plains that are almost completely free of craters. This tells us something amazing. The surface of Enceladus is young. Something is constantly resurfacing the moon, erasing the scars of its past. It's like a planetary-scale ice rink that is being perpetually resurfaced, hiding the marks of time under a fresh coat of pristine, gleaming ice. The most fascinating features are near the moon's south pole. Here, the ice is fractured by a series of long, parallel cracks. These are nicknamed tiger stripes. They are not just simple cracks in the ice. They are warmer than the surrounding terrain. These fissures are the source of Enceladus's greatest mystery. They are deep gashes in the moon's icy shell, stretching for over 130 kilometers. They are the vents for a powerful engine hidden deep below. Standing near one, you might feel a faint vibration through the soles of your boots, a hint of the immense power churning beneath the frozen ground. This world is a paradox. It is small and far from the sun, a place where everything should be frozen solid. Yet, its surface shows clear signs of youth and geological activity. It's a cosmic puzzle. What force is powerful enough to reshape the surface of an entire moon? What could possibly be generating heat in such a cold, remote place? The clues lie on the surface, in the smooth plains and the mysterious tiger stripes. They point to a hidden world, a place of warmth and liquid water, concealed just a few kilometers beneath the ice we are standing on. The secret to Enceladus's warmth and activity lies in its relationship with Saturn. As Enceladus orbits the gas giant, it is constantly pulled and squeezed by Saturn's immense gravity. This gravitational tug-of-war is not a gentle one. The Moon's orbit is slightly elliptical, meaning its distance from Saturn changes. As it gets closer, it's stretched. As it moves farther away, it relaxes. This constant flexing, known as tidal heating, generates friction and heat deep inside the Moon's core. It's like bending a paperclip back and forth until it gets warm. This is the engine that powers Enceladus. This internal heat does something incredible. It melts the ice from the bottom up. Beneath the thick, frozen outer shell of Enceladus, there is a vast hidden ocean. This is not a small pocket of water, but a global ocean that covers the entire Moon. Think about that for a moment. A tiny, icy moon, so far from the sun, contains a liquid water ocean larger than some of the seas on Earth. This discovery transformed our understanding of Enceladus. It went from being a curious ice ball to a prime target in our search for habitable worlds beyond our own. This ocean is not just sitting there. It is in direct contact with the Moon's rocky core. The heat from tidal flexing could be creating hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, similar to those found in the deepest, darkest parts of Earth's oceans. Here on Earth, these vents are oases of life. They spew hot, mineral-rich water, providing energy and nutrients for entire ecosystems that survive without any sunlight. Could the same thing be happening at the bottom of Enceladus's ocean? Could there be strange, alien ecosystems clustered around these vents, thriving in the eternal darkness? The evidence for this hidden ocean is compelling. Data from the Cassini spacecraft showed a slight wobble in the Moon's rotation that could only be explained if the icy crust was not frozen solid to the core. Instead, the crust must be floating on a global layer of liquid. This confirmed our suspicions. Enceladus is an ocean world. It has all the ingredients we believe are necessary for life as we know it. Liquid water, essential chemical elements from the rocky core, and a source of energy from tidal heating. A hidden world of possibility waiting to be explored. The most spectacular feature of Enceladus is its geysers. From the tiger stripe fractures near the South Pole, enormous plumes of water vapor and ice particles erupt into space. These geysers are like colossal fountains, shooting hundreds of kilometers above the surface at incredible speeds. They are the direct result of the subsurface ocean. The water, kept liquid by the Moon's internal heat, finds its way to the surface through these deep cracks. As it nears the vacuum of space, it boils explosively, creating the magnificent plumes that Cassini saw. They are a direct link between the hidden ocean and the cosmos. These plumes are more than just water. The Cassini spacecraft bravely flew right through them, tasting their composition with its instruments. It found that they contain simple organic molecules, the carbon-based building blocks of life. It detected methane, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. Most excitingly, it discovered complex organic molecules, the kind that are precursors to the amino acids that form proteins on Earth. It also found silica dust, a clear sign that the water had been in contact with a hot, rocky seafloor, likely through hydrothermal vents. This was a game-changing discovery. Think about what this means. Enceladus is actively sending samples of its subsurface ocean out into space for us to collect. We don't have to drill through kilometers of thick ice to find out what's in its ocean. The Moon is doing the hard work for us. These plumes are a gift from the cosmos, a message in a bottle floating in the sea of space. They tell us that the ocean below is chemically rich and dynamic. It has energy, it has nutrients, and it has the basic ingredients needed to construct life. The question is no longer whether Enceladus could support life, but whether it does. The story of Enceladus is a story of hope and wonder. This small, icy moon has become one of the most compelling places to search for extraterrestrial life in our solar system. Future missions are being designed to return to Enceladus, perhaps to fly through the plumes with more advanced instruments, or even to land on the surface. Imagine a robotic probe landing near a tiger stripe, scooping up the freshly fallen snow from the geysers and analyzing it for the telltale chemical signatures of life. Enceladus invites us to dream, to explore, and to continue our cosmic quest to find out if we are alone.